नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सेतू अभ्यासक्रम इयत्ता 10वी विषय गणित यामधील डे 12 चा अभ्यासक्रम बघणार आहोत. नाउ in day 12 we have to see the component polynomials. Now subcomponents: number 1 degree of polynomials, number 2 how to write polynomial in standard form, number 3 how to write in coefficient form and in index form. Now let us see one by one. First of all, we see what is polynomial. In an algebraic expression, if the power of the variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomials. Now if only numbers are given, that is no variables, then that can be say a constant polynomial. For example, 2x cube plus 5x, in this case power 3, and second example is 5y. These are the examples of polynomials. Now next one is only 9, that is numbers, and root 3 and 0. There is no variables, so such polynomials are called constant polynomials. Now types of polynomials. First one is based upon number of terms, that is how many terms in the given polynomial. According to that, there are three types. Number 1 is monomials, number 2 binomials, number 3 trinomials. Means in this case only one terms, in this case two terms and three terms. Now second types according to based on degree. First is linear polynomial, that means in this case degree only 1. Second is quadratic polynomials, degree 2, and number 3, that is cubic polynomials, means degree 3. Now next component, that is degree of polynomials. Now in one variables. Now what is the degree of polynomials? In one variable, the highest power of the variables is called the degree of given polynomials. For example, 2x raised to the power 7 plus 5x plus 8. In this case, the highest power of the variable is 7. So degree of this polynomial is 7. Now next one is in more than one variables. म्हणजेच एखाद्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये जर दोन व्हेरिएबल्स असतील, इन सच केस द हायेस्ट सम ऑफ द पॉवर ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल इन ईच टर्म्स. म्हणजेच एखादं पॉलिनॉमियल असेल, त्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये दोन व्हेरिएबल असतील, तर त्याच्या डिग्रीचं आपल्याला सम करायचे आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड दॅट इज डिग्री ऑफ सच पॉलिनॉमियल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 5x क्यूब y plus 9x y plus 11. In this case, the degree of this cube and power of this one, that is 3 plus 1, 4. But in this case, power 1. In this case, power 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. That is highest power is 3 plus 1, 4. So degree of such polynomial is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now, how to write the given polynomial in standard form? So when given polynomial write in descending order is called the standard form. म्हणजे आपण गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल जे असते तिला डिसेंडिंग और असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये लिहिलं तर त्या पॉलिनॉमियलला राईट इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2x रेज टू द पॉवर 5 प्लस 9x प्लस 5x स्क्वेअर. नाउ दिस पॉलिनॉमियल वी कॅन राईट इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म, दॅट इज in descending order. So first we have to write this power, highest power. So 2x raised to the power 5, then 5x square plus remaining, that is 9. That is now in this case. So in we can also write in index form. In index form we have to write the given polynomial in descending order. But in case of cases, the power in this case 5, but in this case there is no power 5, so we have to write this 0 into x to the power 4 plus 0 into x to the power 3 and then all terms. Such polynomials we say in index form. म्हणजे एखाद्या ठिकाणी जर आपल्याला इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं असेल तर त्याची डिग्री ही उतरत्या क्रमाने आपल्याला लिहावा लागतो, बट या ठिकाणी x टू द पॉवर 3 नाही आहे तर आपल्याला त्याला 0 into x टू द पॉवर 3 x टू द पॉवर 4 अशा प्रकारे त्याला लिहावं लागतं. नाउ हाउ टू राइट द गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल इन कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म. इफ वी हैव टू राइट दिस पॉलिनॉमियल इन कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म वी हैव टू राइट दिस ओनली बिफोर नंबर, दैट इज 2. In this case 0 0 plus 5 9 at 0 and so on. Now let us see the hint. The degree of polynomial is less than the terms in coefficient form by 1. म्हणजेच इथे जर आपल्याला डिग्री आणि कोएफिशिएंटचा जो रिलेशन पाहायचं असेल तर याचा पॉवर 5 म्हणजे डिग्री 5 जर असेल तर कोएफिशिएंट जे आहेत इन कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म तो त्याच्यापेक्षा 1 ने जास्त असतो. म्हणजे इथे 5 आहे तर इथे कोएफिशिएंट 1 2 3 4 5 6. नाउ अगेन सी, नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व असाइनमेंट ऑफ डे 12. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. नंबर 1 3x cube plus 5x plus 5x square minus 5. In this case we have to write the degree of the polynomial is. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of polynomial means highest power of the variables, that is 3. So we have to choose the correct option. Now second example is 5x cube minus 2x plus 6x raised to the power 4 plus 1 is in standard form. Means we have to write this in standard form, means we have to write the given polynomial in ascending order and you have to choose the correct options. Now next example, that is third example, is 4y square plus 5y minus 3 is in coefficient form. Means we have to write this polynomial in coefficient form, means we have to write the before number of each variables and choose the correct option. Now next question is you have to complete the activity. Question number 2 is you have to complete the following activity. Now first example is, this is the table, that is anukramank means serial number. 3 example, we have to write this given polynomial is 4x raised to the power 5 7p cube minus 8p plus 1. Now in this case we have to write the degree, means कोटी. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला या पॉलिनॉमियलची कोटी लिहायची, त्याची डिग्री लिहायची आहे. सो डिग्री मीन्स हायेस्ट पॉवर ऑफ दिस. सो हायेस्ट पॉवर मीन्स हायेस्ट पॉवर ऑफ दिस polynomial, that is p raised to the power 5. So degree we have to write in this case 5. In this way you have to write the degree of each polynomial. Now second example is, again you have to complete this table. So first example is, this given polynomial is 4d cube plus 5d raised to the power 4 minus 3d square plus 1. We have to write this polynomial in standard form. Means standard form means we have to write this in descending order, that is d raised to the power 3, d raised to the power d raised to the power 4, next d raised to the power 3, that is minus 3d square, and remaining is plus 1. This is in standard form. In this way you have to also write this example in standard form. म्हणजे आपल्याला उतरत्या क्रमाने या पॉवरच्या उतरत्या क्रमाने हे एक्झाम्पल इथे लिहायचे आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, that is third example is, again you have to complete this activity. First example is, that is given polynomial and you have to write the in coefficient form. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्याचा कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. सो गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल इज 7p square minus 8p plus 3. In this case, in coefficient form means we have to write this before number to this variable. So 7 minus 8 this is, and plus 3. इन दिस वे यू हॅव टू राईट दिस इन कोएफिशियंट फॉर्म. या ठिकाणी समजा इथे एखाद्या ठिकाणी जर पॉवर त्याच्या उतरत्या क्रमाने नसेल, जसं 3, 2, 1 इथं आहे, पण समजा नसेल तर त्या ठिकाणी यू हॅव टू मेक दी इन इंडेक्स फॉर्म अँड देन यू हॅव टू राईट कोएफिशियंट फॉर्म. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज example number 4. Again you have to complete the activity. First example is that gives this now polynomial in coefficient form. You have to write this in index form. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला index form मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. So there are 3 terms. So degree of this polynomial is 2. So first you have to write this 1x square, that is x square minus 2x and then plus 3. But in this case there are 3 and that is 4 terms. So degree of this polynomial is 3. म्हणजे इथं 4 टर्म्स आहेत, म्हणजे त्याच्या डिग्री 1 ने कमी असेल. सो यू हॅव टू राईट दिस पॉलिनॉमियल इन 1x क्यूब प्लस 0x स्क्वेअर प्लस 0x minus 3. In this way you have to complete this activity. Thank you.